We're going to ride the ferry or speedboat to Maafushi. We're in the airport. Airport. Oh, this is crazy.
Tingnan mo, babasa tayo dito.
You want to sit here? Are we going?
Yeah. 65.
May pa sobrang speed, 5. Siguro yung dahil doon sa
Oo,
middleman.
sa dati,
Oh, we're going?
Yeah.
Just the 3 of us?
Yes, Ray.
Adre, baka you might get wet, ha?
Dito ka.
This is way better than the Boracay, no? Yeah, just the 3 of us. Or maybe dadaan pa ng mahal ito to pick some guests. Baka may gano'n sila. Photo! Oh, okay. We're stopping nga at Mali. I think.
Get some guests.
Oh, the waves are really big. Now we're leaving Mali. Pick up some other guests. Heading to Maafushi na.